Bean Sprout friends, I've got number 298 here ready to go. This is a beautiful curly maple and pistachio mini 5-string banjo. The curly maple all comes from Xena Forestry Products in Salem, Oregon. That's a forest and mill that's a really interesting sustainable operation. And the pistachio comes from woodfromthewest.com. They're my same source from the orchards. I had fun laying out the head plate on that one. The customer also requested a little armrest, and he wanted a frailing scoop, so we scooped out the last couple frets there so there's room to play. I've been playing this instrument for the last 3 days in open A tuning, so like a G banjo tuning capoed 2nd fret, or A scale tuning, or A tuning, whatever you want to call it. You know, this instrument we can chip it with C or G tuning, but I've been really liking what it feels like to take the G tuning strings and just tune it up to A. I love it. So. And what's nice about these particular boards from Xena is they've almost got like a reddish, they go between a blonde and a reddish look to them for the maple instead of like it being a white colored maple. And they'll darken over time for sure too. So yeah, curly maple mini 5-string. This one's going to Sweden actually, and I'm happy to see what Jim thinks of it. Number 298, cheers.